Grow a Garden is a very popular Roblox game that has achieved millions upon millions of concurrent players. But how can such a simplistic Roblox game achieve more players than any game on Steam by a huge amount? You see, because of how the game offers constant mutations as well as seed resets every 5 minutes, players are encouraged to spend just one more minute. This is known as operant conditioning, and it's a very essential ingredient for many games that are very popular. You start off by just playing for 10 minutes, and you end up playing for an hour. Another reason for Grow a Garden's vast popularity is bots. Now, there aren't as many bots as in other games, such as Blox Fruits, but there are still quite a few. Here are a few examples that I found while scrolling through the service page. Because of how Grow a Garden works, you can AFK and still progress throughout the game. That's one of the main reasons that so many players are on the game at the same time. They're all AFKing and still earning rewards. One main thing is sprinklers, which grow your plants way faster. Now, for the last part of the video, I interviewed someone who has 320 billion shekels, which, if you don't know how Grow a Garden works, is a lot. After commencing the interview, I asked them how much time they think they spent on the game, and they replied with 30 hours, which is pretty surprising in my opinion. Because of how popular Grow a Garden was, while I was editing this video, it actually made Roblox crash. That's wild. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have an amazing day. If you liked it, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Anyways, peace out.